If you've ever browsed Netflix movie suggestions or told Alexa to order food, you're probably interacting with artificial intelligence more than you realize. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a way for computers to do things that normally only people can do, like understanding and speaking languages, playing games, and solving problems. Confused? Let me break it down in simple terms. Let's look at these words individually. So what does artificial actually mean? Well, it can be anything that is made by humans, things that are not natural. And what does intelligence mean? It is the ability to understand, think, and learn. So what do we get when we combine these two together? Artificial intelligence. AI. It's a way for computers to be really smart and do things that we can do. AI is a big part of computer science, and it helps machines seem like they have human-like intelligence. Have you ever seen a robot on TV that can move and do things by itself? That's an example of artificial intelligence at work. The robot is able to think and make decisions on its own, just like a person can. But instead of using a brain like we do, artificial intelligence uses special computer programs to think and make decisions. These programs are really good at analyzing information and finding patterns, which helps them make smart decisions. So, what do computers use to think? Computers use something called algorithms to think and make decisions. An algorithm is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Just like a recipe tells us how to make a cake, an algorithm tells the computer how to solve a problem or do a certain task. What kind of things can artificial intelligence do? Artificial intelligence is used in lots of different ways. Here are just a few examples. In the medical field, artificial intelligence can help doctors diagnose diseases by analyzing medical images and looking for patterns that might indicate a problem. In transportation, artificial intelligence can be used to help guide self-driving cars. The car's computer uses sensors and algorithms to navigate the roads and avoid obstacles. In the entertainment industry, artificial intelligence can be used to help make movies and music. For example, an AI program might be able to analyze a script and suggest changes to make it better. Or it might be able to compose music by analyzing different melodies and rhythms. Sounds awesome, right? Artificial intelligence is an incredible technology that allows us to accomplish a wide variety of tasks. So what is the future of artificial intelligence? In the near future, AI is expected to become a little less artificial and a lot more intelligent. Artificial intelligence is a type of computer that can do really smart things, but it's not as good as a human brain yet. There was this computer program called AlphaGo that was really good at a game called Go. In 2016, it even beat a person who was really good at it. But if you asked that same computer to drive a car or walk or play a game like Monopoly, it wouldn't be able to do it. That's because computers are good at some things, but they're not as good at everything as humans are. But don't worry, computers are getting better and better all the time, so maybe one day they'll be just as good as us. There is this person who is a futurist named Ray Kurzweil who thinks that robots will be as smart as humans in about 25 years. That means robots will be able to think and learn just like us. This special moment is called the point of singularity. Another person, named Elon Musk, thinks that one day we might be able to put special computers inside our bodies to make us even smarter. These special computers are called AI implants. These special computers and robots will change how we live and how we use technology. And that is artificial intelligence in a nutshell, but for now we can only wait and watch what the future of AI holds for us.